Before closing its airports and borders last week, South Sudan had been taking some coronavirus prevention measures. But frequent international traffic from the United Nations and other aid groups put the country at risk, and a UN staffer was the first confirmed infection. South Sudan's first Vice President Riek Machar is leading a coronavirus task force to stop the virus from spreading further.
The high-level task force has put in place relevant public health measures over the past 2 weeks. Social distancing, as you can see between us now, social distancing is the only way we can minimize the risk of contracting and transmitting the disease.
But on the streets of Juba, social distancing is not an option for people struggling to earn a living.
In fact, it will be very difficult for a country like my country, South Sudan, because here we are lacking a lot of things. In fact, like water, we need to gather some time to collect some water, and then market even. We are going to the market, and then there is a lot of crowd there, so that is our only source of getting. So it will be difficult for us.
China, where the virus began, is heavily invested in South Sudan and has hundreds of peacekeeping troops serving with the UN mission. In a February interview, the Chinese ambassador vowed to support South Sudan's fight against coronavirus.
For the years, we have been building the capacity of the medical teams here. And so far, there's a large number of people already received the training in China. And we are supporting the building of the disease control system in South Sudan.
But years of civil war in South Sudan, Africa's youngest country, has left healthcare poor and underfunded. South Sudanese officials admit there are only a few ventilators for a population of 12 million.
I want people not to be panicked with the information about the coronavirus. 2, I want the people to be vigilant, to give us any necessary information concerning any suspect that is happening in the country.
To force some social distancing, South Sudan last week imposed a nighttime curfew and closed schools, churches, and mosques. But officials say more support is needed from international partners to shore up its healthcare system and prevent the coronavirus from a country still scared from years of conflict. Sheila Ponnie for VOA News, Juba.